welcome back to the vlog. I'm Imani at home. Thanks for following me. I am walking through Ikea 15 minutes before they're closing because I love Ikea. I think they have some of the cutest and most affordable things, and I want to show you guys some of my favorites. My friend needed a couple of things and I told her I would pick them up for her, and I love buying stuff I don't need. Where is it? I'm looking for those. Oh, that's pretty. I don't need that. I'm looking for those little things that hold the trash bags, like your extra trash bags. You put it on your sink. While I don't always need something, when I come to Ikea, I always can find something that I love, and I love that for me. I know what I do need. I need a pair of sheets because the sheets I bought the wrong size. I like Ikea bed sheets. I really like their duvet covers. I just got their linen set and it has been so nice. Another area where Ikea really shines is in their throw pillows. Like sometimes when I look at throw pillows and they're like $60 a pillow, I'm like, who you playing with? That's why I like to go to Ikea, because I'm not paying $60 for a throw pillow. That's crazy. Right now on my bed, I actually have these ones installed. And well, not installed, it's not installed, it's just on the bed. The embroidery is done in India and it's super beautiful, and I love the way it looks in the back, and it has a blue pinstripe on the back. It actually comes in like a cream color too, which is down here. Can't really see it, but I like the blue one better. I think the blue one is cuter. Ikea does a really good job of like fun colors. Those are adorable. Ooh. And they even do ones that have like really good texture about them. Like, imagine that on your bed. That's nice, right? And as you can see behind me, there's like an array of colors that are available to you as a home decor lover. And like their throw pillows start at like $5.99 for the covers, and then you can get the pillow inserts for I think, I don't know, like $5 to $10. So throw pillows, check them out. Another area that I go to all the time for Ikea is curtain rod. If you want something simple, it's definitely just like this simple black rod. Yeah, there we go. You can't beat that price. And then after you're done getting your curtain rod, you go over here and you get your freaking curtains.
Ikea will remain open for another 5 minutes.
Okay, they're closed, so I have to actually leave. But I want to show you my favorite Ikea curtains.
And we look forward to seeing.
I'm also a fan of some Ikea rugs. Some I love, some I don't. I will say I think the more expensive Ikea rugs are really good. I don't know what it is about the printed Ikea rugs. I don't usually love them. I feel like they don't look the most, expensive in real life. But some of their like wool blend rugs are really, really nice. It's not here. Sorry, Amina. Another area of Ikea that I love, as I'm literally racing towards the exit, the picture frame selection here. Fire! I've used Ikea picture frames forever. I just used a really big one in my friend's entryway makeover, and I swear to God, the frame was like literally like $25. It's hot red and it looks so good. It looks really expensive, and I think if you don't have a lot of money but you want some big art, using that big Ikea frame is a really sexy, classy touch, you know? Shimana, shimana. I have to buy this one thing because I bought it for my friend and I love her, but the other two things that she tasked me to get, I couldn't find. So I'm a bad friend, and I don't even have time to go into the as is section, so bye. Can I add this? need my phone to pay.